Thinking about starting your own business? Or maybe you're a freelancer looking for a smarter way to manage your money. Well, you've probably heard about digital business accounts, and today we're going to dive into one of the most popular, the Tide Business Current Account. But is it really the right choice for you? Let's break it down. First off, Tide is not a bank. It's an e-money institution, but don't let that put you off. Your money is protected by the FSCS up to £85,000, so it's just as safe as a traditional bank. The big draw here is its speed and simplicity. You can literally open an account in minutes through the app. No long queues, no endless paperwork. This is a game changer for new businesses and sole traders who just want to get up and running. So, what are the key features that make Tide stand out? The first is the free account. While it's pay as you go, with a small 20p fee for transfers, it means you're not paying a monthly fee when your business is just starting out. As you grow, you can upgrade to paid plans like Smart, Pro, or Max, which include perks like a set number of free transfers, expense cards, and even cashback. But it's the integrated tools that are the real value here. Tide is much more than just a current account. You can create and send professional-looking invoices right from the app, and you can even track payments to make sure you get paid on time. For managing expenses, you can take a photo of a receipt, and the app will automatically match it to a transaction, which is a lifesaver come tax time. Plus, it integrates with popular accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks, making bookkeeping a breeze. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One of the main downsides for some is that the free account doesn't have multi-user access. This is only available on the paid plans. Also, if you handle international payments, Tide has some limitations. While you can receive international transfers and send euro payments, you can't send money via SWIFT to other countries. And if you're someone who relies on checks, they only offer digital check deposits for sole traders, not for limited companies. So, who is Tide for? It's an excellent choice for freelancers, sole traders, and small businesses that operate primarily in the UK and want a simple, tech-savvy solution to manage their finances. The free account is a perfect starting point, and the ability to scale up to more comprehensive plans as you grow is a huge plus. It's all about saving you time so you can focus on what you do best. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.